and welcome. It's that time of the week where you sit back and relax while we get you all the action from B-Town. Over the next half hour, we'll tell you what happened through the week that was in Bollywood this week. Salman Khan is back in the news, and this time the actor is all set to host a show for a social cause but chooses to keep it under wraps. Details in our next story. Salman Khan is finally geared up to promote his film Jai Ho, and he initiated this promotion at Shilpa Shetty's dance reality show. Take a look at how the star is performing along with his co-star Daisy Shah. So let's find out from Salman how much he enjoyed being a part of this show.
It's fun to be on a show, especially if mood अच्छा होता है तो और भी अच्छा होता है ऐसा.
Well, Salman's enjoyment at an event totally depends upon his mood. And now that his mood is good, let's find out about him hosting a show for a social cause and how far is the news true.
आप एक नया शो होस्ट करने जा रहे हैं.
Neither did he say yes nor did he say no. He decided to stay mum on this one. While we all know that Salman is quite a straightforward guy, but since this time he chose to keep quiet, it might be possible that he will be hosting the show but wants to keep it under wraps till the final announcement is made. Moving on, when we asked Salu as to who is his favorite couple in Bollywood, then this is what he had to say.
Obviously मैं तो छूट ही जाऊँगा क्योंकि एक ही तो आदमी है बॉलीवुड में जो सिंगल है आजकल.
Huh? Can we hear that again?
Obviously मैं तो छूट ही जाऊँगा क्योंकि एक ही तो आदमी है बॉलीवुड में जो सिंगल है आजकल.
Well, let Salman enjoy his singledom. But for now, let's find out who is his favorite B-Town jodi.
अमित जी और जया जी की जोड़ी बहुत अच्छी जी, एंड धर्म जी और हेमा जी की जोड़ी बहुत अच्छी. और माधुरी जी और नीले जी की जोड़ी अच्छी है.
Well, we hope Salman too finds a good partner, and next time when he talks about Bollywood joris, it's about him and his partner. On the other hand, we have Priyanka Chopra, who reached late for an event and also got miffed for being compared to SRK. Take a look in our next story.
आप चाहते हैं कि मैं नाम लूं ना?
नहीं,
या आप चाहते हैं कि मैं जवाब दूं? या आप चाहते हैं कि कोई तमाशा बने?
नहीं, बिल्कुल
वो मैं होने नहीं दूंगी.
Well, after all, which was the question Priyanka Chopra tried to avoid?
आप चाहते हैं कि मैं नाम लूं ना? या आप चाहते हैं कि मैं जवाब दूं? या आप चाहते हैं कि कोई तमाशा बने? वो मैं होने नहीं दूंगी.
Why did Priyanka lash out at the media when she was asked about hosting an awards night with a particular actor?
मैं किसी के साथ भी ये कर सकती हूँ. That's my job.
And linking up with whom made Priyanka change her path?
मैं पहले भी लेट आती थी, मैं पहले भी टाइम पे आती थी. मेरा एक्चुअली डिपेंड करता है मूड पे. इस बार मेरे मूड पे नहीं था. इस बार शूटिंग की वजह से हुआ, जिसके लिए मैंने अपोलोजाइज कर दिया, जिसका किसी और से कुछ लेना देना नहीं.
Well, the media kept speculating about Priyanka's connection with a top star, but Priyanka continued to ignore. Well, yes, this is what happened at an upcoming award night's press conference where PC was the face of the brand. But as soon as she reached there, she had to face this big question that has she replaced Shah Rukh Khan? Is she trying to follow King Khan's footsteps by reaching late at event?
तो इससे पहले लेट सबसे ज्यादा इवेंट्स में आते थे शाहरुख खान. और
आप चाहते हैं कि मैं नाम लूं ना?
नहीं,
या आप चाहते हैं कि मैं जवाब दूं? या आप चाहते हैं कि कोई तमाशा बने?
नहीं, बिल्कुल
मैं होने नहीं दूंगी.
बस खाली इतना
खुश
जानना चाहता हूँ आपसे.
मैं हंसती रहूंगी.
And that was the big question for which PC reacted this way. And apparently she felt that a big deal was being made even though she didn't want that.
आप चाहते हैं कि मैं नाम लूं ना?
नहीं,
या आप चाहते हैं कि मैं जवाब दूं? या आप चाहते हैं कि कोई तमाशा बने?
नहीं, बिल्कुल
मैं होने नहीं दूंगी.
Well, we're not sure if the question about replacing SRK was something to be made a big deal about. But looking at Priyanka's trenchant reaction, one thing is for sure that the actress is definitely hesitating to talk about it.
आपके सबसे फेवरेट को-होस्ट कौन रहे? कोई भी होस्ट कौन रहा है फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड्स के लिए?
मैंने तो होस्ट ही नहीं किया. अच्छा जनरली
कौन आपका फेवरेट होस्ट रहा है?
I think अच्छा अभी मैंने बोल दिया तो मुझे पड़ेगी क्योंकि आई कैन से इट आफ्टर आई हैव होस्टेड.
आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता कि आप और शाहरुख अगर को होस्ट करते इस शो को तो रोमांस मस्ती कुछ ज्यादा हमें देखने आता, मजा आता ज्यादा देखने में?
मैं किसी के साथ भी ये कर सकती हूँ. दैट्स माई जॉब.
आपने जैसे कि कहा कि आज थोड़ा लेट हो गया आने में, ट्रैफिक बहुत ज्यादा थी.
नहीं मैं शूटिंग कर रही थी.
आप शूटिंग कर रहे थे? शूटिंग कर रहे थे आप. तो इससे पहले लेट सबसे ज्यादा इवेंट्स में आते थे शाहरुख खान. और
आप चाहते हैं कि मैं नाम लूं ना?
Well, we're not sure about the media, but one thing is clear that PC is surely worried about any further controversies that could arise by SRK's name being mentioned. But looks like PC has forgotten that it's not always best to stay mum. Now, will this incident really create any more controversies in PC's life is something we'll have to wait and watch. Moving on, looks like B-Town's Brawny Johnny is not yet ready to make the big announcement of his wedding. Well, find out why in our next story. It was a court marriage registered with the local registrar in Los Angeles. We don't believe in any particular religion. Ours is an extremely secular family, which is why John and Priya decided to go for a court marriage. Traditional rituals only cause a lot of confusion. After this quote from John Abraham's father, it's clear that the actor has tied the knot with his girlfriend Priya Runchal. But looks like John wants to still keep his wedding under wraps, because when he returned from his holiday in Los Angeles, media expected him to spill some beans about his wedding. But surprisingly, that did not happen. Forget talking about his wedding, he did not even interact with the media. Well, we're wondering what is John planning, as on one side, his father and family members have already made an announcement of their court marriage, and on the other, John is not ready to speak at all. And some days back when John spoke to Zoom, he had revealed that he's a private person, and when he gets married, no one would know about it.
See, I'm so private कि अगर मैं शादी करूँ भी, I don't know whether anybody will really know.
Well, John did exactly what he said. He got married to Priya in Los Angeles and nobody even got to know. But interestingly, the actor gave a hint to his fans on a social networking site where he wrote, "Wishing you and your loved ones a blessed 2014. May this year bring you love, good fortune and joy. Love, John and Priya Abraham." Look how he has called his girlfriend Priya Abraham. Now after this, isn't it clear that they have already got married? But all we are waiting for is to hear it from the horse's mouth. But if sources are to be believed, John is soon planning to throw a big party where the who's who of Bollywood will be invited. And that's when the official announcement will be made. But it seems there's a delay as the actor is waiting for Priya to return from Los Angeles. The source even revealed that as soon as Priya returns to Mumbai, they will host the grand party. Now we're sure that the entire B-Town must be eagerly waiting for the party. But John, even though you're a little delayed in throwing the party, you can at least make the official announcement till then. Don't you think so? Time for a short break on Bollywood this week. But when we come back, evergreen actress Madhuri Dixit's exclusive interview on Zoom. Stay tuned.